Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok without them seeing that you viewed their profile. It's super simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app. I'm using an Android phone, but these same steps work just fine on iPhone too. Now, once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, we're going to disable profile view history. To do this, tap the two little footprint icons at the top right of your profile screen, then tap the gear icon in the top corner to access the settings. From here, just toggle off the option that says Profile View History. Turning this off ensures that when you visit someone's profile, they won't get notified that you were there. Now, here's the important part. TikTok doesn't currently let you block someone without visiting their profile. So what you want to do is turn off profile views. Quickly go to their profile, block them, and then turn profile views back on afterward. Let me show you how that works. Go back to the home page and find the person's profile you want to block. Tap on their profile, then tap the share icon in the top right corner. From the menu that pops up, select block and confirm it. And that's it. They're blocked, and they'll have no idea you ever visited their profile, because profile view history was off when you did it. Once you're done, just head back to your profile, tap on the footprint icon again, go into settings, and turn profile view history back on if you want to re-enable it. I hope this helped you out. If it did, make sure to like this video, drop a comment if you have any questions, and of course subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.